Hello guys, let's learn how to create Tubelight glow effect like this in Elementor Pro. Now let's add a new page. For removing an header and footer, we will make it a setting and change page layout to Elementor canvas so that we will have a free page to edit. Let's add a container and mix it high to full screen by adding 100 VH, and we align it center and make the gap 0, and we don't want any overflow, so make it hidden and give it a padding 0. Now let's add a space bar now and make it padding 0 and width 100%. Now we will select that space bar and duplicate it. We have to add 2 space bar. Now we will add custom CSS to the space bar, which is only available to the Elementor Pro. Also you can edit in the custom CSS file of the theme. Now we'll copy the first code for line 1 and paste it into the custom CSS of the Elementor. We have to copy its CSS class, which is line 1, and paste it in the layout of that is element. Now you can look that our code is working. We will do the same with second space bar, and the CSS class for this is line 2. Paste it here. We'll also copy the CSS class from this and paste it in the layout function layout of second space. Now look, our code is working perfectly. Now we should publish it. Now one more thing remains to do. We have to select the column and also add CSS to that column. Just copy the code of which I have named it a line 3. Copy it and paste it into the custom CSS of that container. We have to copy the CSS class, paste. Now it's working properly. Now we have to change the color. Keep it, I am keeping this. You can also change its opacity. Let's keep 0.3. It's good. Now publish. Congratulations, our code is working perfectly. It's also mobile responsive. You can change the color in the custom CSS or from the background. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.